Welcome to the Ultimate Drone Showdown, where we'll be discussing the top 5 DJI drones on the market today. If you're looking for the best of the best in aerial photography and videography, then you've come to the right place. For those of you who may not know, DJI is the world's leading manufacturer of drones, with a wide range of models to suit every need and budget. From entry-level drones to professional-grade quadcopters, DJI has something for everyone. But with so many options available, how do you know which one to choose? That's where we come in. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the top 5 DJI drones on the market today, so you can make an informed decision when it comes to purchasing your next drone. But don't worry, this won't be your typical dry drone review. We'll be bringing the fun and the humor, all while giving you the inside scoop on what makes each of these drones stand out. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the top 5 DJI drones that will take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Top of the list of cool drones from DJI is the Mini 3 Pro, an update from the Mini 2. Now let's dive into some exciting details about this super cool drone. The Mini 3 Pro has a 4K HDR camera, 12 MP from a powerful 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which means you'll be able to take some pretty incredible footage, and an improvement in low light situations. It also has a 3-axis gimbal, which will keep your shots stable and smooth, even if you're flying in windy conditions. And the camera also has the capability to rotate between landscape to a feature called True Vertical Shooting for those social media optimized shots. For a small drone, you can also get extended battery life, and this model has 2 available battery options to choose from: Standard Intelligent Flight Battery for 38 minutes, and Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for 51 minutes. And let's not forget about its tri-directional obstacle avoidance sensors, which makes flying a breeze. The Mini 3 Pro also has an upgraded transmission system with DJI O3, which improves a strong connection for up to 12 kilometers from the controller at 1080p. But the best thing about the Mini 3 Pro? It's small. Like, really small. It can fit in the palm of your hand, which means you can take it with you pretty much anywhere. And because it weighs less than 250 grams, you don't even need to register it with the FAA. Anything above 250 grams would need to be registered. Now, let's talk about the price. When you consider the features and benefits you're getting, it's definitely worth the investment. And compared to other models, it doesn't break the bank for the features it has. You can get the Mini 3 Pro with the controller for $560, and if you want the Fly More combo option, it'll run around $700, which comes with 2 additional standard intelligent flight batteries, 2-way charging hub, a bag, and spare propellers. 2. DJI Mavic 3. This drone is like the Rolls-Royce of the drone world for the consumer. Sleek, powerful, and worth every penny. Let's start with the specs, shall we? Weighing at 895 grams, the Mavic 3 has a 5.1K 20MP camera that can shoot at 60 frames per second, which means you'll be able to capture stunning footage. The best part of the drone is its powerful 3-axis dual camera setup. It uses a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and a 1/2-inch CMOS telecamera, which also has an adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11. This drone is the best on the list in low light situations. It also has an advanced obstacle avoidance technology, which makes flying this thing a breeze in complex environments. But the best part? The Mavic 3 can fly for up to 46 minutes on a single charge. That's right, 46 minutes! You can fly from one side of town to the other and still have plenty of battery life left. That's more than I can say for my phone. Now, I know what you're thinking. All these fancy features must come with a hefty price tag of about $2,050. And you're not wrong. The Mavic 3 isn't cheap, but if you're serious about your drone photography, it's definitely worth it. So why is it worth it, you ask? Well, for starters, the Mavic 3 is incredibly versatile. You can use it to capture stunning aerial footage of your travels, or even use it for commercial purposes, like real estate photography or surveying. Plus, let's be honest, it's just plain fun to fly. 3. DJI A2S. This little guy packs a punch, and I'm here to tell you all about it. Let's start with the standout features, shall we? The A2S has a 1-inch sensor and can shoot 5.4K video and vast improvement in low light situations. That's some seriously high quality footage. Plus, it has a 3-axis gimbal that's also smooth and stable, even in windy conditions. It's a direct upgrade from the Mavic Air 2. But that's not all. The A2S also has some seriously advanced obstacle avoidance technology that the Mavic Air 2 lacked. It can detect obstacles in front, behind, and even above it, which means you can fly with confidence and avoid any embarrassing crashes. active track has been improved and weighs less than 600 grams. And the best part? The Air 2S is also super easy to fly. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to get the hang of it in no time. And if you're an experienced pilot, you'll appreciate the responsive controls and smooth flying experience. Now let's talk about the price. The Air 2S isn't the cheapest drone on the market, which runs around $1,000, but it's definitely not the most expensive either. When you consider the features and benefits you're getting, it's definitely worth the investment. 4. DJI Mavic Air 2. This little guy packs a punch with its 48MP HDR camera, 4K video capabilities, 8K hyperlapse feature, and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage from a half-inch sensor. It's also got obstacle avoidance sensors to prevent any mishaps. But let's talk about the pros and cons, shall we? The pros include its compact size, impressive camera quality, and intelligent features like Active Track, which follows your subject and keeps them in the frame. Plus, the Mavic Air 2 has a longer battery life than its predecessor, Mavic Air, at about 34 minutes, so you can capture even more breathtaking footage, and this drone can top out at 42 miles per hour in sport mode. As for cons, some users have reported issues with the Active Track feature not always being accurate, and there have been some reports of the drone randomly disconnecting from the controller. It also isn't perfect in low-light situations where users report having noise in dark and low-light footage. But don't just take our word for it. Check out some footage samples online and see for yourself how stunning this drone can make your footage look. And while it's not the cheapest option out there, with a price tag of around $800, it's definitely worth the investment for serious videographers. 5. DJI Mini 2. Last but not least is the Mini 3's predecessor, the DJI Mini 2, which is also the perfect drone for anyone who wants high-quality footage and similar in size just like the Mini 3. The Mini 2 is perfect for beginners. It may not have all the features like the Mini 3 Pro does, but it's super easy to fly, and it's so small and light that you can take it anywhere. Plus, with a battery life of up to 31 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. The Mini 2's camera is no joke either. It can shoot 4K video and 12MP photos with ease on a 1.3-inch sensor. And with its 3-axis gimbal, you can rest assured that your footage will be smooth and steady. Now, let's talk about the price. At around $450, the Mini 2 is a steal for the quality you're getting. Of course, it's not perfect. Some users have reported issues with the drone's range and connectivity and the lack of the follow me mode, but overall, this little drone is a winner in our book for beginners. Don't just take our word for it though. Check out some of the amazing footage samples online and see for yourself what this drone can do. The Mini 2 is perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial shots without breaking the bank, for anyone looking for their first drone. Well, my friends, that brings us to the end of our top 5 DJI drone roundup. So, which drone is the best for you? It all depends on your needs and skill level. In the end, no matter which DJI drone you choose, you really can't go wrong. They're all top quality machines that will elevate your aerial photography game to new heights, pun intended. So thanks for tuning in and happy flying, my friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our drone loving community. Until next time.